Morning, fellow SHGNs. Once again, I welcome you all to this fantastic meeting on this bright Sunday. As you all are already aware of it, since we have started the virtual meetings, we are following the Toastmasters style of meetings. So the role which Tippin played, it is actually called as the Sergeant at Arms in the Toastmasters lingo. And now I'll be playing the role of MC, which is the Master of Ceremony, or it can also be called as Toastmaster of the Day. So today's theme, as we already saw in the group, is about living every day as if it's your last. It's essentially to say that we can take all the risks that we want if we find that that is the right thing for us to do. In accordance with this theme, we can also think of a quote by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, which goes like this: time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. A few days back, on the 25th of January, we saw the recipients of the Padma Awards, which was shared by the government of India. If you happen to follow tech startup news, you would know that Mr. Sridhar Vembu, who is the CEO of Zoho Corporation, won the Padma Shri Award. He's a very good example of how to question the status quo and go against all the conventional things. He completed his PhD in the US and left all his lavish life there to come back to India and start a business from scratch from a remote hometown in Tamil Nadu. He built multi-billion-dollar businesses without raising even a single penny of external funding. He showed us how to build in India for the world. And he built universities to train young students in basic technology skills and gave employment to thousands of them. He is a real example of how to take risks and follow your heart and to do unconventional things and to truly live every day as if it's your last. Before I explain about how this meeting will go on, I just want to briefly touch upon what TISA and SHG is all about for the benefit of any guests or new members that we have today. TISA stands for the Indian Stammering Association. It was started by Dr. Sachin approximately, I think, 10 to 15 years ago. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And SHG stands for Self-Help Group. Under this umbrella of TISA, each city has SHG chapters. And our SHG chapter is the Bangalore SHG chapter, which was started around 2008. And before the pre-pandemic times, we used to meet at Cubbon Park every weekend and conduct meetings where we practice speaking, and share all the tips, tricks, and advices that we have with each other. Now that the pandemic has set upon this world, we are having virtual meetings currently, and we are following a Toastmaster style of meetings. So this meeting, it will typically contain 3 sessions. One is the prepared speeches, second is the table topics, and third is the feedback and evaluation. Before I start upon the sessions, I wish to introduce the general evaluator for today. General evaluator is a person who will evaluate the entire proceedings and conducts the 3rd session, which is the feedback session. So the general evaluator for today is a very active SHG member and who is the present Bangalore SHG coordinator. And I'm aware that he has joined Toastmasters 2 recently, and he has been killing it out there. So Dipin is a person who loves to talk and learn and share his learnings with each other. And he wishes to continue the same until his last day. Please put your hands together to the general evaluator for today, Dipin Jain.
Thank you. Thank you, Ki, Kirtan, for this were, 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 wonderful introduction. And I still recall that day when I did not know about what Toast Master is. And I asked, I was actually chasing Kirtan to know more about it. Because I heard in the group that he's the one who had been associated with Toast Masters Club for a long time. And he did share um, his experience and his feedback with me about what is the or what should be the best way to approach a club and what should be our expectations when we go to any club. So yes, it is the power of feedback and the right expectations which he helped me to set while I joined Toast Masters Club to explore about or to improve upon my public speaking skills. Okay, so let's cut to the chase. And I, as a general evaluator of the day, there are few objectives which I have to meet. As an evaluator, my job it will be to give you feedback. In fact, constructive feedback, which is honest and straightforward, and it also contains clear call to action in order to help people improve upon their public speaking skills. In order to do my role more efficiently, I have got a tag team wherein to play the timer role, I have got a very young man from Bihar. I would like to welcome Shubham to explain to everyone the objectives of his role and how is he going to do it.
Okay.
Hi Shubham, the stage is all yours.
Thanks, Dipin. Am I audible?
Please go on.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Uh, Toastmaster and fellow guest. I am Subham Singh and I am from Bihar. I think this is my third meeting in this SSG in Bangalore. The previous two meetings I have attended as a guest, and in my third meeting, I am playing the role of timer, and I will time the speeches of table topics speaker and evaluators and speakers. As you know, time plays a crucial role in our success. Okay? The key is in not spending time, but in investing it. Okay, so invest your allotted time wisely and carefully in today's meeting. And you all are wondering that what type of work I will do in this meeting. Let me tell you that every speaker has allotted time to 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, and they are expected to complete their speeches with, within time limit. So for their convenience, at fifth minute of their speech, I will show him green card. Okay? And at the sixth minute, I will show him yellow card. And at seventh minute, I will finally show him red card. So all the speakers, you are requested to pin my video to your screen. And one more thing, that all the speakers are allotted a grace time of 30 seconds. Okay, thanks, Dipin. Thanks.
Thank you, Shubham. Just to make one small correction here. Here, all the speeches, they are in between 4 to 6 minutes.
Oh,
And also for the table topics, which will happen after the speeches, the time limit, it will be in between 2 to 3 minutes. Thank you, Shubham. Now we both will share our feedbacks and report towards the end of the meeting. For now, I would hand over the stage back to Kirtan, and I wish him all the best. Over to you, Kirtan.
Thank you, Dipin. Thank you for explaining what this evaluation session is all about. Before we begin with the sessions, I just forgot about one point which I wanted to mention. In my personal opinion, the whole purpose of this SHG and what all the practice that we are doing is to not to gain fluent speech, but rather a smooth speech. There is a difference between fluent and smooth, and this is something that I really take back from this SHG itself. From past 10 years, the main purpose that I wish to focus was on the confidence and the not caring about what others think attitude. But once I started practicing that, one of the points where I had to improve upon was to smoothen out my speech. I find time to time that whenever I get a block, I try to force all the things out, and I make very weird faces and put in all the exert all the energy to get it out. But this is a safe place where we can really smoothen out our speech, and we can learn whenever we get a block how to really get out of it in a smooth and a charismatic way, so that we become effective speakers, if not fluent speakers. With that being said, let us begin with the sessions. First of all, we have something called as prepared speeches. We will have 2 speakers today who will be delivering speeches according to the Speechcraft objectives. The first speaker will be attempting an icebreaker speech, which is the speech member gives for the very first time to introduce himself or herself to the other members. I don't have much introduction about the first speaker because he is going to speak about it in his speech. When I asked him what he thinks about the theme of the meeting, he is of the opinion that one has to enjoy each and every moment of life, because human life comes only once and there is no replacement to it once again. So please help me welcome this person, Prakash.
Thank you, Toastmaster Kirtan, for your wonderful introduction. First of all, is everybody comfortable here? Yeah, Pankaj?
Yes.
But I am a little bit nervous because this is my first icebreaker speech in my life. I have interacted with many successful people, and I asked that many successful people, what is the secret of the success? They said that the simple formula, converting your uncomfortable zone into a comfortable one, and you can taste the fruit of success. I am here to give my first icebreaker speech. Good morning, Toastmaster and esteemed guest. I am standing before you to share my glimpse of all my experience I had in quarter century of my life. Starting from childhood, I was born in Chennai, but in North India, if you said the word Chennai, people don't understand. They think on their own objection. They ask me, are you Madarasi? After the introduction of IPL team, Chennai Super Kings, many people came to know about Madras and Chennai are both same. Thanks to Chennai Super Kings, Chairman Srinivasan, and I brought up to Tiruchirappalli. My father, Mr. Mageshwaran, and mother, Ms. Logeshwari. They both want to give the child a identity. So they named me as Prakash. According to numerology, Prakash means light. I am really worried about my father during childhood days because he was strict. He restricted me in all the activities. For example, he always tell me to go to sleep early, wake up early, and so on. I complained to my mother about my father restriction, but I am helpless. So I had a childhood friend and I discussed this matter to my childhood friend. He gave the wonderful idea, Prakash, don't worry. You complain this matter to Shaktiman. In the 90s, Shaktiman was the famous episode. So he was my best friend giving that wonderful idea. I also complained to Shaktiman about my father activities. Days passed, weeks passed, months passed, years passed, no result. Episode was over. Then I came to know that Shaktiman was the real hero. My father is a real hero. To be frank, I am bad in English during my early days. Because no one used to speak to me in English during my schoolings. No one. Yes, even my English teacher taught the lessons in the language of Tamil and interacting with the friends in the language of Tamil. I have studied my schoolings in RC, State Board School, till 6th standard. Then I move on to Arekamada Matriculation School. Here the entire circumference is different. Teacher taught the lesson in English. Friends used to communicate with me in English. In the initial stage, I found it was very difficult, but later on, I hope to do that. As I passed higher secondary with good percentage, then I want to do my graduation. There is a lot of dilemma. Relatives saying that aeronautical, friends saying that architect, and many family members and well-wishers say that you can do that agriculture. I am really confused. And then I come into a conclusion that I want to do that undergraduation. Then I studied my BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application, followed by MCA in Jamal Mohammed College, which is located in my district. After completion of my undergraduation as well as my PG, then I work in a MNC company in Kerala for 3 months. After that, I feel monotonous working in that company. So I relieve from the job. And currently for past 2 years, I'm preparing for the competitive examination. Many relatives and friends ask me, you are studying for 2 years. Do you know what is life? You are still studying. Your age is going on. In the situation, my father act as antivirus by clearing all the virus and protecting me. And he stays as a real hero. Thus, Prakash, for you, over to Team Modi.
That was a great speech, Prakash. Thank you for telling us about your real hero, your father, and a great background. Indeed, it felt as if This is not your first speech. It was your 10th or 20th speech. Kudos to you. Moving on to the second speech, our second speaker is also giving his icebreaker. When I asked him about the theme, he told that life is beautiful. We only need to see it each and every day. Please put your hands together to welcome Pankaj.
Yeah. Thank you, uh, TMOD, for giving me this opportunity, and 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 for today, my speech is about our beautiful life. For me, is for me, life is the way God has given us to live the way we want, and 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 for like me like me for me life become more complex than being being called a beautiful uh, life because daily uh, we have to face same problem, same situation of and 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 after dealing with that uh, problem, we get frustrated, we get anxious to to uh, to 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 uh, to 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 ourselves uh, toward 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 our friends, parents, uh, uh, we um we try to uh, we try to हम अपना सारा गुस्सा अपने लव्ड वंस पे निकाल देते हैं, तो हो क्या, तो तो फॉर मी कि we should avoid all this kind of problem. We should focus on 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 our goal, why we have come uh, to this beautiful planet called 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 uh, called our planet name is Earth. So we should enjoy this life, enjoy the nature, enjoy the beauty of love. So keep on focusing on life, because we get only one life, and at the age of 60 we should not we should not regret that 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 we want to do do a lot more things uh, but because of this ये क्या because of this I spend my whole life to blaming God and to my family member. So focus on your life and live the way you want and don't think uh, about other people. Think about yourself and be selfish. Thank you.
Great speech, Pankaj. Thank you. That was a very deeply uh, impactful speech. You told us the beauty about life and this planet. Indeed, there is beauty everywhere, and we just have to recognize it. So that concludes the prepared speech section. Next is the session where it will be much more interesting because you will be getting the topics on the spot, and whatever comes to your mind, you got to structure it out and put it out forward. This session in the Toastmasters lingo can be called as the table topics. And to conduct this, there is a person called as a table topic master who will be giving out topics for you. When I asked this table topic master about his thoughts on the theme, he said that seize the day because there is no tomorrow that we are waiting for. And he has been associated with TISA from more than 7 years. He loves to explore different stuff, and currently he's exploring Stoicism. Stoicism is actually something that even I have been exploring from the past few days. In fact, I love one quote by some philosopher who was practicing Stoicism, and that is, please give me the strength. Please give me the strength to focus on things that we can control and to let go of the things we can't. And I pray to God to give me the strength to differentiate between the two. And that's a really powerful quote. So please put your hands together to this stoic Rahul Hirani.
Thank you, uh, Kirtan, for that wonderful intro, and a very uh, good morning to all of you. And I hope you are seizing your day. All right, so I just want to tell you that to nominate yourself for a topic, you need to mention your name in the chat section, and then I can give you a topic to speak upon. Okay, I uh, uh, think we have our first table topic speaker, but uh, before we we start upon, I just want to highlight the timings. The timing will be 2 to 3 minutes, but you have no uh, pre- uh, pressure of uh, finishing your speech soon. So take your time and speak all you have got. All right. So uh, we have our first speaker as Akshit. So Akshit, uh, uh,
Hello.
yeah,
Hi.
if you yeah, if you know today is your last day on this planet, what would you do uh, to make the world a better place?
Okay. So, thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak upon this topic. If it will be my last day on this planet, so according to me, like, yeah, I have to speak from my own side or for the means from the perspective of
Or your
everyone,
side?
like,
No, no, your side, just your side.
okay, means I have to do for myself or for everyone.
No, so the question says, what would you do to
Yes.
make the world a better place? So, what would you do to make it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So according to me, like, as being a stammerer, our life is uh, from school only. Life is a help for all of us, like, we have to complete our homework in time, and we have to do everything, because if we'll not do these kind of stuffs, so at that point of time, we can be highlighted in front of everyone, and teachers can ask us questions, so we have to prepare for everything, and overthinking happens, everything happens. So as being a stammerer, life is so difficult. It's not a problem, it's a unique thing in us, because I once read a quote, um, that भगवान भी उसी के साथ खेलते हैं जो उस फील्ड के सबसे पक्के खिलाड़ी होते हैं। तो हर किसी के उसमें इतनी हिम्मत नहीं होती कि मतलब एक स्टैमरर की एक लाइफ जी पाए। सो यस, मतलब स्कूल के अंदर हर चीज़ होता है, हम बुली होते हैं, हम लोग कभी-कभी मतलब जो अ, मतलब घर वाले हमारे कंपैशनेट होते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी वो लोग मतलब अभी कभी उनका जो प्यार होता है, वो एक एंगर के फॉर्म में रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाता है, मतलब हमारे अच्छे के लिए क्यों नहीं हो सकता है। तो अगर ये इस प्लेनेट पे मेरा लास्ट डे होगा, तो आई वांट कि हम मतलब हर स्टैमरर को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले कि वो मतलब खुल के अपनी लाइफ जी पाए एंड मतलब हर एक को एक्सप्लेन कर पाए कि क्या क्या होता है, क्योंकि मेन प्रॉब्लम है कि हम लोग सोचते हैं कि मतलब सब लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि हर एक हमको जज करेगा और या फिर ऐसा, और लेकिन हमेशा ऐसा होता है नहीं। कुछ केसेस में ऐसा होता है कि मोस्टली मेरे साथ तब तक ऐसा हुआ है कि मैंने पहले से अब सोच लिया था कि ऐसा हो सकता है, बट ऐसा मतलब इतना होता है नहीं। हाँ, तो हमको मतलब एक्चुअल चीज जानने को मिल सकती है कि कितने लोग इस टाइम पर अच्छे भी हैं इस दुनिया में, अ, जो लोग हम सबको एक्सेप्ट करते हैं एंड उस हिसाब से मतलब this world can be a better place and a equal place for living us as being a stammerer. So thank you.
Uh, uh, well spoken, Akshit, and thank you. So, uh, for the next two, uh, I'm sorry, for the next topic, we have Anuj and Sudhanshu, and uh, this will be a debate. So, what is more important, being being self centered, or being other centered? May I
Okay.
repeat once?
So, uh,
What is more important, being self centered or being other centered? So, Anuj, you you would uh, uh, want to take which uh, side of the topic?
okay. So, first of all, a very good morning to everyone, and thank you for giving me this topic and this debate. And for me, I would like to go with the self-centered, and I would like to speak on this topic. And I invite my other d- co-debate person to please give his short introduction.
We don't need to introduce, so
Oh, yeah, yeah, okay, sure.
It
you
is
can.
a debate, right,
Uh,
Rahul? We both have to speak.
yes.
Yeah, so
Anshu,
could you
so
please explain the
you
meaning of
you can start directly.
other-centered?
Means uh, living for the uh, others
Okay.
more than yourself. Yeah.
Okay, so since if you want to, then you can start, or else I will start on this debate.
So go ahead, Anuj. You have already started, so I will go after you.
Okay, sure. So since as we can know that being a human or being a person is very difficult in this selfish world, and I think everyone here is to just take his own profit and just to earn his own income and his own commission. So being in this brutal and plural world where everyone is just doing their own self, like they are just doing for their own benefit. So I think being self-centered is a much good option and is a must is a much safe option than being others centered. So as we can see that although being others centered is very good and it is well seen in the society, but I think after a few days or after a few weeks people just forget about your work or like what you have done for them. So I think being self-centered is good, and like doing for your own self, like growing on yourself, like investing time in your own self is a very good option, because since you get the time, you get that opportunity to explore yourself and like to find your own vision, and like your own, like what you want to do in your life, what's your goal. So being self-centered is a much safer option, and it is like it is oftentimes is a more good option than being others centered, because since competition is growing everywhere and it is growing day by day. So I think investing in yourself and being self-centered is a much better and is a much good option than being others centered. We can see the example of many legendary people who invested their time on themselves, and like although since being human is a very difficult thing, you can't explore each and everything in your life. Like you can do you can do about yourself or you can do about others. So I think doing about yourself is a very good option. Like if we see the people uh, like the like the world famous warrior Alexander, who invested in himself, and like he conquered the world and finally became one of the most renowned person and one of the most renowned name in the history of our human life. So I think being self-centered is a good option. Thank you.
Yes, so I would like to start by saying that we have not come in this world alone. We cannot think only for ourselves or particular individual self and still live it. If we are in this world, we have to think about us, of course, plus everyone else as well. So if you are just trying to think about yourself doing things which can help only yourself, you are not going to take full advantage of this world, because people and everything in this world comes with different tastes, different knowledge, different flavors of life. And to get best out of it, you have to mingle with everyone, think about everyone, and then do good to the good good do good to this world in a collective manner. So what I'm trying to say is being self-centered could help you in your life for a certain phase of your life. But as you are trying to give example of many big people who have done good in this world, they have worked for themselves, but at the same time, after they achieve a certain milestones in their life, they have started giving back to this world. It is not that they are still working for themselves only and gain profit out of it. If a person is doing good in, say, educational field, or in, say, uh, any any, say, your Bollywood industry, or anywhere, after reaching a certain heights, they have tried to build some kind of institutions which would help, giving back what they have learned so far to the newcomers who are striving to learn in those respective areas. So all in all, living in this world, we have to think about everyone, not even about fellow human beings, but also about your environment, about your atmosphere where you live, about land, water, everything that this world has to give to you. So I'd say the thinking should be working towards helping everyone, helping your environment, and not just be a self-centric person who can always only think about their selfish goals. So, yeah, that's all I had to say. Thank you.
Uh, uh, Thank you, Anuj and uh, Sudhanshu. Well said. All right, so I think we have uh, Pradeep as our next speaker. So, Pradeep, uh, the topic for you is, if your life was a movie, what would be its title and why?
Yes.
Pradeep, uh, we uh, we are not able to hear you. Can you turn on your webcam and unmute yourself? Hello, Pradeep, are you there? I think we cannot hear him. Uh, does anyone wants to go next, or should I cherry pick? Okay.
Hi, Ram. This is Sambit here.
Hi,
So,
Sambit.
yeah, if you want to give me give the opportunity to next.
Uh, I would request uh, uh, Hadeep you to rejoin because your network is very bad. It seems. Hadeep, your network is not good. So can
I
you
think he got
rejoin once?
disconnected.
Okay,
He
okay,
dropped off, I
okay.
believe. He's facing some issues with the network. So we can move on with the next speaker.
All right. So we can move to Sambit. So Sambit, the topic for you is, when living a life,
Yeah,
don't sweat uh, the small stuff. What are your views on that? May I
I can hear
repeat?
you, Ram. Can you please repeat?
Yeah, yeah, sure. When living a life, don't sweat the small stuff. What are your views on
Okay.
that thought? Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning, all. This is Sambit. Actually, I had not given my introduction before. So I am from Odisha. So my age is 33. I am currently a working professional. So in this topic, topic is that in living a life, small things, uh, sweating upon small things is valuable or not. I think that is that correct?
Uh, uh, what was uh, 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 the uh, the last part you said, Sumit?
Uh,
Okay,
yeah, means
I can repeat it once if you want.
yeah. Please repeat. Please repeat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. When living a life, don't sweat the small stuff.
By living a life, don't sweat small stuffs, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's good. So according to my point of view, uh, if you want to be a great person in the future, if you want to give back to the society in which you exist, I think you should work on all the stuffs. Means all the small stuffs, because small stuffs matter very great in your life. That is what. So you should very kind-hearted man. You should be very uh, you should be very careful about those very small things, because small things can define who you are, and small things can define how you could manage things. Because I have in my experience, I can say that small things matter a lot to you. So we should work on small things uh, very carefully. And like in my own experience, I am sharing this. So I'm working as a manager in my company. Some 20 to 30 people are there. So in every day I meet them, and I personally talk to them. And so when you go to them and you talk to them, you can know very small, very minute things going on in your organization. So if you know very minute things, you can really work upon them, and you can make uh, an organization very comfortable to work. So I think I will agree with your opinion that yes, you should sweat up on small things, because small things matter a lot. Okay, so you can frame your strategy upon those things, and you can be successful in your life. Okay, that's it from my side.
All right. Thank you, Sambit.
Thank you so much.
Well spoke. All right. So we can move to our next uh, participant. Uh, uh, Pradeep, are you there now? I can see you, but I'm not sure your audio is there or not.
Hi, hello. Hi, hello.
Yes. We can hear you now, Pradeep.
Am I
All right.
audible
So
now?
yes.
Yeah, internet is
Pradeep,
quite poor.
it's all right. So uh,
Yeah.
your topic was, if your life was a movie, what would be its title and why? You got it right? Hello? Pradeep, are you there? Hello? I think we lost him once again. Pradeep, are you there?
I
I
believe
believe
he
he
is
is still facing audio issues. All right. Okay, so meanwhile, we can move to our next uh, participant, Dipin,
Um,
or we
I
can,
like to hold you. Yeah. We
yeah,
also have.
we can
Yeah. We also have.
take you at last, Dipin. Then it's okay.
Yes. So, as I said, we also have Ravi, and he wants to speak in Hindi.
सो आप
Yeah,
उससे हिंदी में
that's fine.
पूछ सकते हैं. हाय रवि,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
रवि भी अवेलेबल है.
जी
ओके, ठीक है. तो
अच्छा ठीक है. तो
राहुल आप पूछ सकते हैं.
जी जी जी. सो रवि, आपके लिए मेरा सवाल है कि अगर आपको ये पता चले कि आप अमर हैं, तो आपकी जिंदगी कैसे चेंज होगी?
जी
I think
हाँ
he got stuck. Okay, yeah, go on, Ravi.
जी। सबसे पहले मैं कोशिश सबसे पहले मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि मुझे बोलने का मौका मिला, और मैं अपना परिचय सबसे पहले देना चाहता हूँ कि मेरा इस समय मेरी एज 22 साल है, और यदि मुझे जिंदगी में कभी ऐसा मौका मिले कि कि मैं अमर हो गया, तो मेरी लाइफ में चेंज सबसे पहले ये होगी कि 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 मैं कभी मर नहीं सकता, और इसलिए मैं आज मतलब कि मैं जिंदगी आराम से जीऊंगा। और दूसरी बात ये कि मैं किसी चीज को लेके उतना परेशान नहीं होऊंगा कि ये मुझे आज नहीं मिला तो ये मुझे कभी नहीं मिल सकता, क्योंकि मैं अमर हूँ, और आज नहीं तो कल वो मुझे मिल ही जाएगा। और दूसरी चीज ये कि मैं अपने सभी स्टैमर को ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि वो किसी भी चीज से डरे नहीं, बल्कि अपनी स्टैमरिंग के ऊपर काम काम करे। दुनिया वाले कुछ भी बोले, हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता। और हाँ, मैं अपने टॉपिक पे आता हूँ कि हाँ, अमर होने का सबसे बढ़िया प्रॉफिट है कि मैं कुछ भी हासिल कर सकता हूँ, और मुझे कोई मार नहीं सकता, और मैं सबसे ज्यादा पावरफुल इंसान हूँ इन द वर्ल्ड। और बस।
Okay, shukriya, Ravi. That was really good. So, okay, so moving on to our next speaker, Chirag. So,
Hello, am I audible?
yes, Chirag,
Okay.
very much. And uh, j- just a piece of advice, you don't have to uh, introduce your uh, self.
Okay.
during your table topic. Okay.
Okay, okay.
All right. So, Chirag, uh, uh, the topic for you is, if you have 100 years to live, would you would you prefer having junk food or healthy food for the rest of your life?
Okay. So is it like this, that either I have, like, whether I have junk food or I eat healthy food, I live for 100 years
100
only?
years. Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Okay. That's amazing. So I'll start by this. Like, I know that I will live for a full century. That is, I have a whole 100 years to live. So I'll enjoy both of them, because we don't eat junk food because it is bad for our health. Like, if we eat a lot of pizza or burger, we will surely be obese. But as you know,
Uh, Chirag, you went on mute. Hello, Chirag, are you there? Yeah,
hello,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah.
You went on
It
mute. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll have a fair share of both. Like, right now, I eat pizza once in a month, or maybe twice. But if I can eat anything I like, so I'll eat pizza maybe twice in a week, I guess. And also I'll drink a hell lot of cold drinks. Oh, I like them, but they are bad. They are bad for our health, so we can't drink them in large quantities right now. Also, apart from that, I won't just eat junk food. The reason being that if we eat green leafy vegetables, we get the amount of oxygen in our body also increases, and we also feel good and refreshed. So I'll say that I'll not only just go full on junk food only. I'll have a fair share of both healthy food as well as the junk food. That's it for my part.
All right. Thank you, Chirag. Next, you
Welcome.
can have uh, uh, Prakash. So, Prakash, are you there?
Yeah, yeah. Sorry.
Okay. I would uh, 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 like to ask you the same uh, question that I
I'm sorry to interrupt.
asked to. Yeah, yeah.
I'm sorry to interrupt. Is there anyone in the group who has not spoken yet and would want to take up the last topic?
Yeah, Dipin, I have not spoken and I would like to take any topic.
Okay.
Yeah, I have also not spoken, Dipin.
Okay,
Okay.
sure, sure. Then we can have uh,
2 more topics if you have, Rahul.
Suraj and Manish. Yes, yes, sure.
Okay, great. Thank you.
So, should I go with uh, uh, Akash first, or should I just skip to
I think we
Suraj?
can go with the people who have not spoken yet.
Sure, sure, sure. Dipin. All right. So, Suraj, uh, 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 the topic for you is, if your life was a movie, what would be uh, its title and why?
Uh, what would be the title, right?
Yeah,
In Hindi or in English? Which movie?
whatever,
Yeah.
whatever you want
If
to.
if it is Hindi, then I would like to title it "Aglane Wale Ki Dasta."
Great. Oh, okay.
uh,
And why? Yeah.
because uh, people who live with stammering has entirely different thing than a normal people. So normal people are generally not aware how the life of stammering a stammerer is. So I would like them to tell how difficulties we face when we stammer. Uh, we even can't say our attendance, our parole. From that to how difficulty we face when we get rejected in interviews. I, I want to just tell them that how life of a stammerer is will be.
All right. Thank you, Suraj. That was uh, really good.
Thank you.
The title.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. So we can move to Manish next.
Yeah, Kirtan.
All right, Manish. So, uh, uh, if you have two options, number one, start your life all over again, or number two, you get 1 million dollars uh, uh, shoot, right now. So, which one would you choose and why?
I would choose the life. Sorry, can you tell me the topic again?
Yes, sure. If you get two options, number one, start your life uh, all over again, would you choose that, or you get 1 million dollars right now?
Yeah. If I will have to get the two options, so I will preferring to choose that the to leave the life to start the life again, because in the whole half of the life we have मतलब we have मतलब, felt the so many मतलब, we have faced a lot of difficulties, and and the whole of our schooling life until college life are ruined due to this stammering problem. So I would be preferring to leave and to start my life again, so that I can enjoy my and enjoy the life with the full of with with full of enjoying life, and also whatever I couldn't have done in the entire life, so I will try to achieve those things which I have faced difficulty or I couldn't have done in my school days or the college life. So, thanks.
All right. Thank you, Manish. Okay, so do we have anyone who hasn't yet spoken? I can see Shivanshu Mishra and also Mr. Uh, perfect. So, would any one of you like to give it a shot?
हाँ सर हेलो सर गुड आफ्टरनून
Good afternoon, शिवांशु. So, आपको हिंदी में बोलना
हिंदी सर
हिंदी में ठीक है, ठीक है. श्योर श्योर श्योर, ठीक है, श्योर.
तो सर मेरा नाम शिवांशु मिश्रा है. शिवांशु मिश्रा है और मैं इलाहाबाद में रहता हूँ और इस समय सर मैं बी फार्मा सेकेंड ईयर का छात्र हूँ और सर दैट्स ऑल राइट.
शिवांशु, ये आपकी फर्स्ट मीटिंग है क्या यहाँ पर? Very welcome to this
Thank
group,
you sir.
Shivanshu. So, क्या आप एक टॉपिक पे बोलना चाहेंगे अभी?
हाँ श्योर सर श्योर. हाँ
ठीक है,
सर अब कोशिश
तो
करेंगे सर आप.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. तो आपका टॉपिक है, क्या हर एक हर एक लम्हे को पूरी पूरी तरह से जीना मुमकिन है?
सर ऐसा ऐसा बताना चाहूंगा आपको सर कि सर हर एक ऐसा सर अब लम्हा वो सर
मोमेंट,
नहीं.
मतलब मोमेंट, हर एक सेकंड, हर एक मोमेंट.
हाँ सर एक सेकंड सर नहीं रहता कि उसको मैं एक अच्छे तरीके से वो कर पाऊँ अपना. मैं उसको तो मैनेज कर लूँ अपने हिसाब से सर. तो ऐसा होता है कि सब चीज जो होता है सर वो मिल नहीं पाता है हमें और कई दिक्कतें होती हैं समयानुसार सर. जैसे हाँ, वो समझिए सर अभी तो मैं कुछ कह नहीं पा रहा हूँ फिलहाल और मेरी पहली मीटिंग है. कुछ सीखना चाहता हूँ सब आप लोगों से सर. और टॉपिक आपने जो दिया सर उसके
इट्स ओके शिवांशु,
सॉरी
इट्स
सर.
ओके. अरे ठीक है, यू डिड रियली वेल एक्चुअली. तो आप ऐसे ही हर संडे को मीटिंग्स में आइए, ठीक है? और आप सीखते जाएंगे. All right, so with this, I can uh, conclude this session, and I'll hand over the stage back to Dipin. Dipin, all yours now.
Thank you, Rahul, and you have really entertained us for the past more than 50 minutes. And I can see that we have got more than 8 table topic speakers. And we and all the topics were apt, and people has to like people, they could have shared um, lot of insights from their from their experience and from their imagination on those topics. But I know that most of the people are attempting it for the first time. Otherwise, we all enjoyed the ses- table topic session a lot. Since I have started with the um, with the table topic feedback, a few areas wherein I can advise you, which can be worked upon. Um, as we can see, so many peoples are new. You may have shared some example of how they can attempt a topic, and also you could have started with the importance of table topics. Um, apart from that, since we all know we are using we are conducting the meeting over Zoom, you could have made the most out of technology. You could have used some interesting um, pictures or some slides to make it more interesting. So these are the areas wherein
Sure.
yeah, these are the few areas wherein I would advise you to have a look. Otherwise, we all enjoyed the topics, and we look forward to have some more interesting roles from you in future.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Dipin.
Thank you. Now, before I move further, I would like to invite my tag team. Um, for now, we have Shubham as timer. So I would urge Shubham to share his report.
Thanks, Dipin, for this time. As for the speakers' speeches, today we have only two speakers, and the first speaker was Prakash. He delivered his speech really very well, since it was his first speech, icebreaker speech, but it was good, and he was within time, since mm, it was his first speech. He has taken approx 7:30 minutes, 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So I can say it is good. For Pankaj Sehrawat, I don't know which number of speeches you were giving. I think you have given previous speeches too. And Pankaj has completed his speech in 5 minutes, only 5 minutes. So that's from my side. Okay.
Thank you, Shubham. And how about the table topic speakers? Were they able to do their job well in time,
Okay.
or
Yes, yes. For table topic speakers, I have monitored the timing. The first speaker, which was Akshit, I can suppose, he has taken 4 minutes. Okay, and all other speakers like Anuj Sudhanshu and Manish Kumar Singh, they are well good in time. Some taken less than 2 minutes, somewhere within 3 minutes. So only Akshit has surpassed the timing for 4 minutes, and all were in time. So that's
Thank you, Shubham, for observing all the speeches and helping us time all the speeches. I know it's not easy because um, when you have to make a note of time and at the same time you have to pay attention to what people are saying. It's not an easy job. So um, thank you once again, Shu 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 Shubham, for doing the role so well. Now let's move on to the feedbacks of the speeches first. I'll start with the speaker number one. The feedback for speaker number one, who is none other than Prakash. Hi, Prakash. So, before I start, will anybody in the group want to share about like 1 or 2 lines about what he liked most about his speech? Anybody in the group? He can unmute and share 1 or 2 lines about what he enjoyed about his speech.
Yeah, so honestly speaking, watching him speaking after so many months, he has really improved in his speech, and the way he delivered his whole story was very good. Like he mentioned about all our childhood uh, problems, like complaining to Shaktiman and then just waiting for him to do justice and like everything. So I think the way he delivered his speech and the way of you using his hand gestures was really good.
Thank you, Anuj, for sharing the feedback, and to all the people here. Active listening is again a very important part of the communication. Here, I just want to share one small anecdote from my own experience, that every time I go to the meetings, I used to sleep. I really feel sleepy. I don't know, because I every time I go to the meetings, I feel that I don't understand what other people are speaking. So I would go and sleep. And when the others they ask me to share feedback, then I am really caught off guard. So evaluator role, it does help you to stay on your toes and actively pay attention to what others are speaking. Now, moving on to the feedback of the speech, I would like to thank Prakash, who brought light, who brought light uh, to the relation in between Madras and Chennai. I would share the objectives and the areas wherein I have evaluated the speech on. So I have evaluated the speech based on the content, the pace, the clarity, and the engagement. So the first area is content. You shared a with story with story with which we all could easily relate to. The story of a strict father and a rebellious child who is exploring options to take his father head on. At times, speaking to his mom or reaching out to his real hero, Shaktiman. Just a moment. And I know for sure that if not your real hero, but your actual hero, he will always he will always act as an antivirus and keep all the impurities away. Just a minute. Deepa, थोड़ी देर के लिए 5 minutes, huh? Just a moment. Sorry for interruption. Give me 5 minutes, please. Yeah. Yes. So I was saying that we understand that it needs guts to do what you actually want to do in your real life. And we wish you all the best for your exams. And again, going back to your speech, as I said, you did a real good job on the content, on the pace. Yeah, because I expected that you will be a lot faster, but you were amazingly um, you amazingly maintained a very good pace, which was easy for all the people to understand. At the same time, you attempted your speech standing, which allowed you to make full use of your body, um, body gestures. And yes, you also included humor in your speech, which um, which engaged the people so well. So since it is your first icebreaker speech, you have not only achieved the objective, but you have excelled it. So we look forward to hear some more interesting speeches and some more acts from you in the upcoming me in the upcoming meetings. And all the best. Now, I would like to move on to the feedback of speaker number 2, Pankaj. Hi, Pankaj. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. So Pankaj, the in your speech you have shown us and you have explained us that we should have gratitude towards our life, and I know it is the and in my opinion it is the most important thing that we people all should have, because at times we all just keep focusing on the areas which we don't have or which we lack, but you focused on bringing out the importance of small things, and also at the end you also shared that we should live the way we want without caring much about what other people are going to think. And I'm sure that if we people can imbibe, we people can learn from these advices, then it can bring about a lot of change in ourselves and in the quality of life we live. So your speech, it has a very deep meaning and advice. Now, moving on onto the areas wherein you can improve upon. Um, I so it's not only to him. I want to ask it to all the role takers. Do you do you reach out to other people, or to start with, do you all people have a script, and after that do you reach out to the old people in the group in order to seek assistance, and how much do you actually practice? Because at times I see that people, they take up roles and speeches, but they are not doing enough enough ju- 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 justice to the role by not practicing in advance. So I would urge all the people who take up roles to practice, because that is what will help you when you have to deliver. The same goes to you also. um, I believe you already understood what I am trying to say, because until the end you were struggling about your script. So these areas you can keep in mind in future, that we have to work a bit harder. We all have to. Otherwise, it was a real brave attempt, and I look and we actually look forward to have more speeches and acts from you in future. Right. So with that, I am all done with the feedbacks. Since Kirtan is not here, I will share his feedback later. And for all the table topic speakers, if they want the feedback, they can reach out to me in um, in per person, and I can share the observations, and I will also share the feedback form here in the chat, and I would ask all the people to share in their feedback, so that we can choose the best role takers. I've shared the feedback from, and in the meantime, I would ask Mr. Perfect to unmute, share his video,
हाँ सर बोलिए।
and जी, आप अपने बारे में हमें कुछ बताएंगे?
हाँ सर, मैं आपको अपने बारे में बताता हूँ ना। एक्चुअली मेरा
जी।
नाम विशाल प्रसाद है एंड मैं गुजरात स्टेट के वलसाड डिस्ट्रिक्ट के वापिस सिटी में रहता हूँ। एंड फिर मैं पढ़ाई में अटेंडेंट ऑपरेटर केमिकल प्लांट की पढ़ाई करता हूँ। एंड फिर मेरी हॉबी है क्रिकेट खेलना, फुटबॉल खेलना वगैरह वगैरह। और कुछ क्या बताइए अपने बारे में।
बहुत बढ़िया। तो मुझे आपसे ये और पूछना था कि आपका इस मीटिंग में आने का उद्देश्य आप बताएंगे हमसे?
सर मेरा मीटिंग में आने का उद्देश्य यही है कि मतलब मैं कुछ मतलब आप लोग से कुछ सीखूं और आप लोग से कुछ लूं नॉलेज। उससे मतलब जितना मैं लूंगा नॉलेज, मैं मतलब मेरे साथ सुना है कि मतलब ना आप लोग जितना भी लोगे नॉलेज उतना कम पड़ता है। इसके लिए मीटिंग में आया था कि आप लोग से मैं कुछ लूं नॉलेज, आप लोग कुछ नया, आप लोग मतलब कुछ सीखने के लिए मिले ऐसा।
बहुत अच्छा। पर आप उसके लिए 1 घंटा लेट आए हैं।
नहीं सर, मैं गया था खेलने के लिए बैट बॉल ना, तो इसके लिए थोड़ा टाइम लग गया और दोस्त लोग
क्या
बुलाए थे,
बात है।
मैच था इसके लिए थोड़ा लेट हो गया था, नहीं तो मैं पहले ही आने वाला था।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत
सॉरी
बढ़िया।
उसके लिए, सॉरी उसके लिए थोड़ा लेट हो गया, तो मैं कहा मैं
You
टाइम देखा ही नहीं।
don't need to say sorry. You don't need to say sorry. The only thing is मीटिंग में अगर ऑन टाइम आएंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। फिर आप
हाँ हाँ
सारे लोगों से आप जो आपको आता है वो आप बता सकते हैं, और जो उन लोगों को आता है वो आप उनसे सीख सकते हैं।
हाँ सही बात है।
ग्रेट,
नहीं
थैंक
मैं
यू।
क्या मतलब बैट बॉल खेलने में बहुत मजा आता है, कोई बुलाता है तो फिर मैं ना नहीं बोल पाता हूँ, इसके लिए चला गया था।
बस
नहीं तो
2 मिनट
फिर मैं
और।
टाइम पे आता ही।
Okay, I have got 4-5 feedbacks, and we have got around 10 people in the group. So I would ask all the people to share the feedbacks so that we can announce the results. If anybody is facing any issue while sharing the feedback, then they can share with me in the chat also. So we'll wait for 2 minutes more, and then we will share the results. And meanwhile, we are waiting for the feedbacks. If anybody in the group wants to share any unmute and share his opinion or his feedback or any other areas where we can improve, then please feel free to unmute and speak up.
Yeah, Dipen, can I say something?
Yeah, sure, Manish.
Yeah, actually, recently I have attended the business communication meeting at ISB. So there actually I have just felt that that the instructor was just giving the some he has given some guidelines so that it will be it will be like the toughest moment currently, but when you get the chance to speak, so at that time you'll feel the relief. So what was the toughest moment during the practice? That before starting of the speech, first you see the viewers for the 10 second, and then after then you just start the speaking process. So if that kind of condition would be there, so it will be toughest moment and during the practice, but it will be helpful when we get the chance to speak in a real time environment, in in a bigger forum. So just that I want to just suggest, if this point you can consider, it will be, I think, helpful for the other.
Great. Thanks, Manish, for sharing the feedback. And yes, for the table topics, we all encourage people that they should use the first 10 or 10 to 20 seconds to think, and after that they should start speaking. We all encourage people to do that. The only thing is we missed to share this again. I know we should reiterate these things to the people again and again. So we'll incorporate that. Thanks, Manish.
So it was not about the thinking. First 10 seconds to see the viewers, all the audience. So because in the starting of 10 seconds, we are very much we get frightened and we get बहुत डर होता है, तो so that moment can be improved by practicing in such a condition.
Sure. Now I would invite Suraj. Hi, Suraj. I will share the results with you, and I would want you to announce the results.
Yeah, Dipin. Yes.
So I am sharing the result for best speaker.
Okay. It's in chat.
Yes, it's in chat.
Okay. So the best speaker goes to Prakash. Congratulations, Prakash.
Thank you, Suraj. Yeah.
I have shared the result also with you for table topic speaker. I'm sorry, I did not add your name there, Suraj. I totally forgot to add your name in the feedback form. Apologies for that.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's in my first meet, and I'm not aware what is tabletop and what is icebreaker. I'm learning for first time, so it's okay.
That's completely my fault.
Okay.
Okay. Shall I share the
Okay,
result of table topic speaker with you?
Yeah. So the table topic speaker winner is first is Akshay, and next is Ravi. Congratulations, Akshit and Ravi.
Yes, we
Thank you,
have got
sir.
two people. Yeah, we have got two people who have the best table topic speaker award. And now for the best role, Suraj, I have shared the result for the best role taker also with you.
Okay, it's Rahul Hirani. Congratulations, Rahul Hirani.
Thank you.
Thank you, Suraj.
Thank you, Dipen. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so with that, we have reached the end of this. And I would officially end the meeting now. I'll stop the recording, and please feel free to speak up for anything